mode of reproduction, sexual or asexual, and why? What do you think? What would the answer be? The answer should be sexual reproduction. Why? Because in sexual reproduction, there are two gametes involved. So 50% of characteristic is from male and 50% of characteristic is from female. Thus, it gives rise to variation, and variation leads to evolution. So you are supposed to write it as sexual mode of reproduction is better because it gives rise to variation. So variation over here, kids, is the essence of this answer. So sexual mode of reproduction is better as it gives rise to variation, which is essential for evolution and survival of species under unfavorable conditions. Let's repeat. The answer goes like, sexual mode of reproduction is better as it gives rise to variation, which is essential for evolution and survival of species under unfavorable conditions. Kids, you can also write this as sexual mode of reproduction because of genetic variation, which is essential for evolution and survival of species under unfavorable conditions. Let me give you a brief of what sexual reproduction looks like. Sexual reproduction, there are two gametes involved. One is male and other is female. Okay, so characteristics from male comes between and characteristics from female comes in the picture. So it gives rise to offsprings. Because there are two parents involved, because there are two gametes involved, it gives rise to variation. And because of variation, the offspring would not be exactly like what its parents look like. Okay, so it survives in unfavorable condition, and thus sexual reproduction is always better. Okay, that's it. This is your answer too, and let's go further.